Trading is not for everyone, but if you are a trader, Plus500 is the place for you. With just a few clicks, you can open an unlimited demo account and get to know your way around. Open your desired position in seconds and start trading CFDs on the most popular stocks, indices, forex pairs, commodities and more. Worried about missing something? Set free alerts to keep track. And gain insights into your next trade with our indicators section. You can also stay in control at all times, even when on the go with our mobile apps. And when you are ready, check out the real thing and join the many who have already chosen Plus500. So visit Plus500 and create your own trading account now.